Take command of the road in the 2014 Honda CR-V. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.